Hello, fellow scouts. Since today is the last orienteering session we're going to have this month, it's going to be nice and short because, for the most part, it's going to be on you guys in reading the sheets I gave you, sadly today. Okay, so look at the top of the description. Look at the top of page 35, and you'll see a description sheet for what they gave you, okay? So you literally just read underneath that and follow along with me if you can. For some reason, if you can't, it's alright, ask questions, okay? So examine the sample control description sheet shown here. The top of the sheet shows the level of competition, yellow, the course distance in meters, 1.64 kilometers, and the meters of vertical climb along the route, 70 meters. Okay? Okay, so now if you look back to the description sheet, look all the way to the top. It shows yellow, and then it says 1.64K, and then to the next section, it says 70 meters. Okay? So that's all that part is, okay? And then column A's, different columns and stuff. Column A just shows you control points where you start at or where your next point is where you go to. Okay? And then column B would show you the control codes. And then the control codes is if you're actually running an orienteering course, they give you a little band. Sometimes it's different, doesn't matter. But everyone starts off at a different control point. So everyone starts off at 1, another group starts off at 2, and so on and so forth. Okay? But what column B would show is it's showing which groups go to which control points. Okay? C through H, those columns, they show you the landmarks to travel to. Like, if you look on the next pages, 36 and 37, look on those pages, it shows you what each symbol means. And then the last line describes how you approach the finish from the last control point. So it's basically one giant circle, somewhat, but so whoever goes to 8, their last control point would be 7, and then there's going to be, and since they figured out everything else, then they figure out, oh, okay, so 7 is the last control point, so this is going to be the control point that points me towards the last control point. Okay? I mean, that's all I have to say. That's all I have to say for this session. But you guys probably have questions, and then if you want to do well in the Kahoot, just look at the pages I gave you guys, because that's all it's going to be. That's all it is. Just from international control description symbols and sheets all the way to the end of page 37 is all I'm going to be doing. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so here's the here's the description sheet for this lesson.